Hello, mic check. Hello, hello. Hello, mic check. Welcome to Accentrics FB Live seminar this afternoon. Study, live, and migrate to Australia. So, why Australia? So, bakit nga po ba Australia? We have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So, number one, listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and listed one of the highest salaries. So, ayan yung mga best aspect of why you should consider migrating to Australia. One of the best country in the world. So, pangatlo po ang Australia sa pinakamataas na highest average salaries. Pangpito po ang Australia sa pinaka-best country in the world. Number 9, best country to raise a family. Bakit nga ba best country to raise a family? Dahil po ang ating anak is libre po ang kanilang pag-aaral sa Australia kahit anong school. And pagkakalam ko is sila pa po binibigyan ng allowance. That's why number 9, best country to raise a family po ang Australia. Number 27, safest country in the world. So here, the next part of our seminar is navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia for 2024. So for data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, AI, and machine learning. For data science, some of the highest paid jobs in 2024, like machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing or NLP engineer. Ito po ang kanilang annual income each jobs po this 2024. For cybersecurity jobs, they have Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Penetration Tester, Security Engineer, Security Consultant. And ayan naman po ang kanilang annual income each job. For cloud computing jobs, they have Cloud Solution Architect, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, DevOps Engineer, and Cloud Data Engineer. Ayan naman po ang kanilang mga annual income. For software engineering, ayan na po yung software development manager, site reliability engineer, full stack developer, mobile software developer, and blockchain developer. Ayan naman po ang kanilang annual income each jobs. For AI and machine learning jobs in 2024, they have Chief AI Officer, AI Architect, AI Product Manager, AI Ethics Specialist, AI Research Scientist. Ayan naman po ang kanilang annual income each job. So, how to find and apply for a job? Paano po tayo maghanap ng trabaho? Don't worry, kahit hindi po kayo pumunta sa isa workplace or sa agency, HR or admin, you can still apply kahit nasa bahay po kayo sa www.seek.com.au. Pwede po kayo maghanap ng work dito and pag once may nahanap na kayo, pwede po kayo mag-apply sa www.linkedin.com. Dito po kayo pwede mag-apply once may nakita na po kayong work as fit sa inyong student visa holder. So for schools location, so we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rates. So we have four major cities in Australia. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. So so far, yung pinakamaraming nag-granted namin in pinakamaraming benefits po na may mga affiliated school kami is in Paramata. Paramata po yung affiliated school po namin doon, hindi po humihingi ng IELTS and show money. Yung IELTS at show money, yung medyo nagpapadelay din minsan ang ating application process dahil sa mga target score na kinakailangan. Pero sa affiliated school po namin sa Paramata, for this April intake, no show money and IELTS needed. So, what are the benefits of an Australian student visa? Study at any university in Australia, travel in and out of Australia as necessary, work part time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. The visa permits students to work in Australia once they graduate. It's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. As dependents, under your student visa, your spouse and children may accompany you to Australia. Ayan po ang kanilang ang mga benefits of an Australian student visa holder. So for student visa holder, you have five part-time jobs or more than five. For international student in Australia, you can apply as a barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, fruit picking, pwede po kayo mag-apply doon ng part-time sa mga na-mention ko na work. Pwede nyo pagtrabuhan sa Australia as a student visa holder. Unlimited work rights. Last year po, nagbaba po ang Australian government ng benefits na unlimited work rights for student na nag-end po noong June 30, 2023. So, we hope po na this year, 2024, is magbaba ulit sila ng benefits ng unlimited work rights dahil sobrang laking tulong po nito sa mga student visa holder, yung unlimited work rights na benefits. You must have sufficient funds. Kailangan lang po natin dito ilagay sa immigration account natin na kaya po natin sustentuhan ang ating sarili sa whole total period ng pagstay po natin sa Australia. So, dito po nakalagay, do all applicants in this application confirm that they each have access to sufficient funds to support themselves for the total period of stay in Australia and understand that further evidence of funds may also be requested. Kailangan lang po natin i-meet ang kanilang satisfaction para alam po ng immigration na kaya po natin sustento natin living expenses, tuition fee, and any expenses po na gagamitin natin sa Australia. So, what are the typical reason of rejection? Bakit nga ba tayo nare-reject? First is yung health po natin. If we have blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy. So, pag meron po tayo nito, pwede po tayo ma-auto-denied or auto-rejection pagkatapos po ng ating medical. So, tumungo naman po tayo sa ating actual courses. For early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, ayan po kanilang mga related courses and yung tuition, enrollment, and material fees, each courses po onshore tsaka offshore. Pag nakita nyo po dyan yung related course, pwede nyo po siyang i-picturean para may copy po kayo, para aware po kayo kung magkano yung masuspend nyo for that kind of course. For management courses, information technology courses, automotive courses, andyan din po ang kanilang enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses, onshore tsaka offshore. Trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, ayan din po ang enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses. So, dito naman po tayo sa ating course start date or tinatawag na intake. This year, we have 3 upcoming intakes. First, we have April, July, and October. Good news po everyone for April intake. May benefits po ang April intake sa affiliated school po namin na hindi na po kailangan ng show money and IELTS needed. So, habol po tayo for April intake. If you want to start your application and you want to join for April intake, this month po ang or this week ang pinaka magandang opportunity para mag-start na inyong application. Summary of fees, dito po ay estimated lang po ito, add 10% buffer each fees. So for school tuition fee, school enrollment fee, school material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OHHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics, yung total po na magagastos is 253,550 pesos. Add 10% buffer because estimated only lang po ito. Sa mga na-mention ko po, kasama na po doon yung overall na magagastos, yung tuition fee, enrollment fee, material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC, biometrics is 253,550 pesos. So how to earn 1 million pesos in just 5 months? If you work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 per week. So, sa 5 months na yon, as a single applicant, in just 5 months, you earn 28,000 Australian dollar. So, sa 5 months, sa peso, it's 1 million pesos. Pag single applicant pa lang yun, paano na pag couple or yung kayong dalawa pupunta ng boyfriend, live-in partner, or fiance, or husband nyo po. So, if a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 per week each. Together, they make 2,800 per week salary. So, sa 5 months, they earn 56,000 Australian dollar. So, sa peso, it's 2 million. In just 5 months, as a couple, you earn 2 million pesos. So, stepping stone po siya for couple na nagsisimula mag-ipon, pumupundar, nag-build ng family. So, 2 million, hindi po siya, pag dito sa Pilipinas, student, then yung partner natin may full-time work permit, hindi po natin marireach yun unless negosyante po tayo or may mga business. But in Australia, as a student visa holder na may spouse, you earn 2 million in just 5 months as a couple. So here we have 8-step application process. Step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you're genuine student. Dito na papapasok ang ating SOP or GTE. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel. These are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. Ito po yung ating 8-step application process dito sa Accentrix. These are the stages for this. The initial are stated below to get you started. Fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school. Wala pong dadaan sa company unless the professional fee or company fee. Lahat po ng fees na school tuition fee, medical fee, and visa application fees directly po sa kanilang mga institution. Pay the tuition fee directly to school, apply for a visa immigration, then pay the immigration fee directly to immigration. So, ang ating eccentric word of the day, it's a big world out there. It would be a shame not to experience it. So, thank you so much for joining our short live seminar this afternoon. If you have any question, just drop down. Then I'll give you a minute, then I'll answer it right away. Sa mga gusto naman po magsimula ng kanilang application process this April intake or July or October intake, just again, just the same, just drop down your full name and number. Then after the seminar, you're going to receive a call from our team to assess your inquiry. Sa mga gusto naman po mag-set up ng appointment for face-to-face consultation, just drop down your full name and number. Then after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo ng aming team.